Majestic oak trees and a stunning magnolia tree greet you as you walk into this lovely cottage. Oversized corner lot with a large garage and workshop, privacy wood fence, shade trees, landscaping, plenty of room for all your toys, children to play, to entertain, barbecue or even build more storage, and you haven't walked into this home yet. Love the character, charm, quaintness, space, windows, unique fireplace and so much more. 2 possible master bedrooms areas with a glassed-in sunroom downstairs to bring the outside inside. Take your pick. The 13-feet trim ceiling in the family room, large dining area, Craftsman-style fireplace with authentic original oak floors throughout the downstairs add to the charm and ambience. Electric breaker box 2024, new central air and heat March 2024. This location, views and the details in this gem.